Welcome to Creating and Publishing GPTs to the ChatGPT Store course. Hi, I'm Vivin Arana and I'm going to walk you through different applications. So first, let's come to chatgpt.com. I'm going to log in with my Google account associated with my ChatGPT. So I'm going to go here. Let's say I'm going to use this account. Now this is not a pro or plus account. So what will happen in this case is if I want to create my ChatGPT, I'll have to upgrade, or as you see here, if I want to explore GPTs, I can look at the featured, trending, different GPTs that are available. But if I want to create my own, it will say get Chat GPT Plus to create and share your own GPTs. So you can get Plus. And here is the plan. The free is what you're using currently, but if you want to create your own GPTs, you'll have to pay $20 per month. This is the personal account. There's also business account, which is $25 per person per month. So I'm going to go back and log out from this account and go to the account that I have Plus with. So here, once I log in, I'll see all my chat history. I'll see new chat GPT option here, and here is explore GPTs. So here is where you can create your own GPTs. I can also look at my GPTs here, but I'll go ahead and create. If I go to my GPTs, I'll probably see something that I've created before. And this time I want to create another GPT. Now, in this particular video, we're going to create three different GPTs. One, just to try different things. One is for sentiment analysis. So we just add some text over there and it will tell you if it's a positive or negative. And second one, we will upload some images from my images folder and then ask this particular application or GPT, what does this image say, or explain, describe the image. And then finally we'll create a knowledge base with different files from different locations. So in this particular, and the third one, we're going to look at different destinations and create a knowledge base of all these destinations and kind of ask user some questions based on their destination preferences of where they would want to go, and accordingly give them options. So let's go ahead and start with sentimental analysis. So create. So first it will ask me, hi, I'll help you build a GPT. You can say something, make a creative who helps generate visuals for new products, or make a software engineer who helps format my code. So I'm going to say make an or create a sentiment analysis tool where I can just paste the text and it will tell me if it's positive or negative. So it's going to go ahead and read through it and try to build my GPT. It will give me a name, says text sentiment insight. Would you like, no, I'll say this is fine, this is good. And then once I say that, it's going to create an image for me for this particular GPT, which will be displayed here and here. And that's what it's doing right now, is creating a profile picture which will be visible when you saw the other GPTs. That's what it does. And here it is, happy and neutral. That works. Perfect. You can ask it to regenerate or do other things, but I'm just going to go around with this. So just so to make this video quick. Great. Now let's refine the sentiment analysis. Sentiment insight works. First, is there anything specific it should emphasize or avoid when analyzing text? For example, should it be overly technical? Just say positive or negative. And since it says happy or neutral, I'll say and use the words happy or neutral or sad, and don't go into too much details. Yeah, it's gonna update with whatever I did. Sentiment. How would you like sentiment to communicate? Should it be formal, friendly, or casual? Be very formal, because I want it to be short and quick, and I don't want it to say too much stuff to the user. Now set to deliver concise. And would you like to test it out, or do you have any of the refinements in mind? So I can just leave it here. I can also look at configure and see all the options that it has, and it will tell me what all it can evaluate. And it also says that capabilities, web browsing, image generation. So I don't need image generation for this, so I'm going to just save this as it is. And here I'm going to go and test it out. I'll say today is an amazing day, and I think I will go for a picnic. The sentiment of the text is happy. I say, looks like traffic is really bad and it will take me hours to get to work. Sentiment of text is sad because there's too much traffic. Looks like everything will be amazing. The sentiment of the text is happy. So it does work. And once I've done with that, I can just click the create button and I can say who I can share it with. There's only me. That means only it's available for me or anyone with the link, or I can post it to GPT store. So for now, I'm just going to keep this since it's a simple one. I'll just say anyone with the link and I'll save it. Once I do that, it will create my GPT and it will be published, and it will give me a link to check it out. So I can just click on view GPT, and you see it also shows up on the side here on the left side, so I can go with that. And now I have this. You can always go ahead and edit it, and actually go ahead and go to your explore GPTs, my GPTs, and then go ahead and edit this GPT and add some more stuff and press update, and it will update whatever changes you have made. And if a user is already has a chat saved with this particular GPT, it's not going to use the new one. It's going to keep the old one. And when they start a new chat, that's when it will create a new one.